You ever looked at your bank account after a shopping spree and thought, where did all my money go? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you there's a way to potentially claw back some of that cash? What if I said there's an app that promises cashback on your everyday spending? Intrigued? Good. Let's talk about FavePay. Now, the big question is, does FavePay actually give you cashback? And if so, how much? Is it worth it? These are the burning questions we're about to answer. First off, let's break down what cashback is. It's basically free money you get back for spending your money. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not entirely. Cashback programs, like the one FavePay offers, are a way for businesses to reward customer loyalty. So, does FavePay offer cashback? The short answer is yes. But it's not a flat rate for everything you buy. It varies based on where you're spending, how much you're spending, and sometimes, even the time of day. It's like a cashback roller coaster. 1 minute you're soaring high with 20% back, the next you're plummeting with a measly 2%. To maximize your cashback, you'll need to be a bit of a FavePay detective. You'll have to dig into the app, check out the deals, and see where you can get the biggest bang for your buck. It's like finding hidden treasure, but instead of gold coins, you're finding extra cash. But here's the thing. Cashback is great, but it's not everything. Sure, getting money back is nice, but what about the convenience of using FavePay? How does it compare to other payment methods? Is it secure? These are questions we need to answer to get a full picture. We'll dive deep into the FavePay app, show you how cashback works, and give you some tips on maximizing your earnings. We'll also compare FavePay to other payment options to help you decide if it's right for you. So, grab your calculator and your favorite snack because we're about to do some number crunching. Let's find out if FavePay is worth your hard-earned cash. Insert engaging visual content, such as screen recordings of the FavePay app, comparisons, and user testimonials. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is all well and good, but does FavePay actually live up to the hype? Well, that's a question only you can answer. The best way to find out is to give it a try. But before you do, make sure to weigh the pros and cons and understand how cashback works. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.